Myself, and again Vijay Kumar, had completed BTech in Electronics Engineering. I am going to starting a YouTube channel. Its name VIJAY RAMANUJAN Institute. In this YouTube channel, I am going to explaining about all basics from first class to engineering mathematics and GATE syllabus for especially triple E students. Most of them my contacts are educated peoples mostly. So if you are not interested to watch, please you have to share your brothers and family members. It will be more helpful for me and them also. So please subscribe and share my channel and like. Thank you. And one more thing, if you are interested to study for GATE, you can contact me. I will explain all problems which you have doubts. And I am going to start today basics of mathematics. Yeah, today I am going to explain about basics of mathematics. So we have to know basics of mathematics means we have to learn first of all numbers. There are types of numbers in mathematics. First I am going to explaining types of numbers. In that you have to know first of all first one, natural numbers. And the next one, whole numbers. Third one, integers. And next, rational numbers. Fifth one, irrational numbers. Sixth one, real numbers. And prime numbers. Composite numbers. These are 8 types of numbers. So first of all we have to go one by one. So I am going to start from the first. What is that? First of all, natural numbers. So I am highlighting this. So first of all, which are natural numbers? Which are starting from 1. I am going to change in color for better understanding. So the numbers which are starting from 1 to starting from 1 and so on. 2, 3 and so on. These are called natural numbers. Are you understand? And so if we explain clearly, started from 1. I am going to using another color. I think this is better. Examples 1, 2, 3 and so on. This is called natural numbers. Next one, I am going to start next one with different color. Yeah, I am going to starting next one. Second one. What is second one? Whole numbers. Whole numbers. Second one, whole numbers. Same, this is also same number definition. The numbers which are starting from anyone know? Okay, I will tell. The numbers which are starting from 0. The difference between natural numbers and whole numbers is one thing. In natural numbers they are starting from 1 and whole numbers they are starting from 0. The extra thing is 0 added. 0 to 0, 1, 2 up to so on. So I think that is definition. If you want to explain clearly means I am going to using another color. I think this is example 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. The next one is third one. Sorry, I am going to better colors. The third one, integers. Integers. The integers are started from minus infinity. Clearly we have to show like this. Main exception. We have so many numbers. Middle one is 0, 0 like this. 0. Positive numbers 1, 2, 3 up to so on. And also negative numbers also there, no? So how to mention like this, -1 and in front -2, sorry, -2, -3, like this up to -infinity. Less infinity to -infinity. Sorry. In this integers also two types. I'm going to use another color for better understanding. Two types of integers. Sorry. First one, positive integers. Positive integers. Positive integers, sorry, positive integers. And next one, negative integers. Negative integers. Example of positive integers. Example, -1, -2, -3, and so on. Likewise, negative integers. Example, sorry, positive integers 1, 2, 3. Negative integers minus, I'm going to change color, we are getting -1, -2, -3 up to -infinity, so on. These are first three types: natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. In natural numbers, they are started from 1, 2, 3 up to so on, and whole numbers are started from 0. Integers are both including of whole numbers and natural numbers. In integers again two types: positive integers, negative integers. Next one, fourth. So fourth, what are fourth one? Do you remember? Rational, next one, fourth one, sorry. Next one, fourth. What is fourth one? Rational numbers. One second. Rational numbers. I am going to explain a definition. Sorry, I am going to using different color. I am going to explaining definition of rational numbers. All numbers sorry, I am going to small letters. All numbers that can be written in the form of A by B, where A and B are integers and B not equal to 0. This is rational numbers definition. I am going to giving rational numbers example. Example of rational numbers: 5 minus 3. Likewise, these are also including rational numbers, and 7 by 8, like this. They are clearly explained. The denominator is not equal to 0. What happened when denominator equal to 0? If denominator is equal to 0, something by 0, infinity. The number is totally infinity. So the denominator never be 0. I am going to explaining the fifth one. What is the fifth one? Do you have remember? Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. I am going to anyone know the irrational numbers definition? Real numbers that cannot be written as the quotient of two integers but can be represented on the number line. Simply the numbers which are not written in the form of a by b. It's just quite opposite of rational numbers. The rational numbers are written in the form of a by b. Irrational numbers means which are not written in the form of a by b, but these are present in number line. I am going to give in the example of irrational numbers. Example. Can anyone know the examples of irrational numbers? Tell me, anyone? Irrational numbers example: square root of 8, something square root of 11, and example also pi. These are the under comes irrational numbers. Square root of 8. And next I am going to explaining next sixth one, real numbers. Sixth one, real numbers. Real numbers. These are including of all numbers that can be represented on the number line, that is all rational and irrational numbers. Real numbers means including of both rational and irrational numbers. Okay, I am going to giving definition. Write down. Include all numbers that can be represented on the number line, that is all rational and irrational numbers. This is the definition of real numbers. Up to now, which are explained to me: natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, all those comes under real numbers. Okay, are you understand? I am going to giving a table format of numbers. Before that, I am going into giving I am explaining types of numbers in detail in diagrammatic form. I am clearly explained definition on examples, but now I am going to explain in diagrammatically. This is whole thing. I am showing rectangle white color box containing real numbers. In this, two types: irrational numbers and rational numbers. And the rational numbers also containing next level integers. We are clearly observing the definition: integers containing both positive and negative numbers. but in whole numbers we have containing only positive number. That's why I am shown diagrammatically this way. And whole numbers also containing natural, and whole numbers x whole numbers and natural numbers only difference is 0. That's it about 6 definitions. And clearly explaining two more things, prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay, are you understand? Yes, I am going to start next one, seventh definition. Just 1 second. Seventh one, prime numbers. Most of them not remember, I mean most of them not remember these numbers. I am going to clearly explain about the prime numbers. Please observe carefully. I am giving definition for this. A prime number is a prime number is a number greater than one that has only itself and one as a factor. This is called prime number. For example, if you take, going to give you example 2. If carefully observe, 2 have only one and 2 has factors. And clearly mentioned in the definition, a prime number which has one factor and itself is known as a prime number. 2 having only 2 factors, that is 1 and itself. That's why we have calling 2 as a prime number. In this same, based on same definition, we have some examples. Sorry. 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on are prime numbers. These are the prime numbers examples. Are you understand? The number which has having one factor and itself as a factor is known as a prime numbers. Next one, 8. Composite number. I am going to giving definition. Please write down. Composite numbers. A composite number is a number that is not prime number. Not prime. The numbers which are not prime numbers are also called as composite numbers. Example, I am giving examples. Except prime numbers means 3. Sorry. For example, we take 8. For example, how I am going to explaining 8 as a factors of I am taking another different color for clear explanation. 1. 8 as a factors of 8 of factors. I am getting 8 of factors 1 and 2 and 4. How you know? 1 8 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8. Likewise we have factors 8. It containing 4 factors, that's why it is called as a composite number. But prime number have factors of 1 and itself, that's why they are called as prime numbers. These are called as composite number. So today I am winding my section. I am coming with next updates in next class. So thank you. I hope you understand the class very well. So please subscribe my channel for getting more class updates in further. Nowadays so much students are going for mathematical tuitions. Instead of that, you can message me in comment section if you are necessarily need a special class. I will follow up your present class mathematics regularly. Okay, please, if your parents are watching this video, please suggest my YouTube channel to your students, I mean your children, if in case if you are understanding my classes better. Otherwise neglect it. Thank you for watching my video.